FRAM Filters, tell us a little bit about the brand.
FRAM has a very rich, long history. It's just been relaunched into the Australian market in 2018 by FilPro Australia. But the FRAM brand has been around since the 1930s. Very rich history in OE supply, aftermarket supply, and also has a very rich history in NASCAR racing.
And it's available in a lot of countries.
Roughly the 174 countries in the world you would be able to purchase a FRAM product from. So it's very widely distributed and accepted in the market as being a very high quality product. As I mentioned, it's just been relaunched into the Australian market in 2018. It had a bit of a hiatus for various reasons, but it's back here now, available in our distribution centre in Newcastle, New South Wales.
Yeah, it's interesting you mentioned that because it was huge up until about the 70s and then sort of took a bit of a sabbatical.
Yeah, so the older generation of mechanics know the brand quite well. My brother being one of those. The brand was very strong and it was widely distributed in the Australian market. And for various reasons it disappeared, but now we've reintroduced the brand back in 2018. So it is available now.